All right, Michael. Have you ever seen this many Skeksis before?
No, I've never seen one in my life.
Holy shit. There's so many Skeksis. Oh my god. I've never seen this many Skeksis before. You got anything to say about this, Michael?
I don't want to die.
You worried they're gonna kill us?
Yes.
As long as we respect them, they won't hurt us. We have to let them know that they're the bosses. Tell them that they're the bosses.
You're the bosses.
Oh, man, there's so many. Look at that. There's even some over there. There's... Holy... Look at that one pose. You see that one is T-posing?
Yep.
He's literally T-posing. Oh my god, he's the alpha.
He's doing it for the cameras.
Some in the tree. Man. Well, they're guarding the coolest view in the park, so hopefully they don't mind if we take a little peeky over here. We're not gonna... Oh man. They're starting to get antsy. You see that?
Yep.
They're like... They're those big things coming towards us. They're not dead, so we can't eat them. That's right, Skeksis. They eat dead things. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, man. You trust me?
Yep.
Holy. They were watching us this whole time? Oh my god. They're everywhere. Oh my god.
Insane.
I don't like their bald heads.
I don't like your bald.
Whoa. Holy.
They're everywhere.
They're so pretty.
Yeah, they are.
I don't like their bald heads, but they're pretty regardless.
Yeah.
Do you wonder if there's like a sick one that they're all like flying around and that we can like there's like a six Skeksis that they're like all like coming to mourn the death of because they know it's gonna be dead soon. But if we give it to like some like Cheerios that we have in our pocket or like a granola bar or give it some of your soda and we nurse it back to life, that they'll start worshiping us because they'll be like, you saved our friend, our king.
Probably not.
All right. Come check out this view.
Oh wow. Kind of reminds me of Cliff Cave, like you said.
Yeah. So the best view is over there with those bozos, so...
Yes.
You know what we gotta do?
Yep.
Hey, look, it's their feathers. Look.
Yes. Wow. I'm not just playing it up for the cameras. That is actually really cool.
Hey, guys. We were just coming over to check out the view. There's like, a cool field nearby, and we were just wanting to check it out. Yeah, it's a really pretty view. You guys really are intimidating. Yeah, you guys are pretty cool looking. Keep up the great work, guys. That one in the tree, that's their alpha.
Yep.
And that one right there, that's the omega. That's right. Skeksis have alphas and omegas. That one's the Chamberlain. That's the one that goes Mm.
Wow.
Mm. Hey, eat any gelflings lately? Huh?
We're getting real close.
You know what I'm talking about? You know, the gelflings? Ugh. You gotta resort to eating podlings for their essence. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm talking about? You know what I'm talking about, guys? Alright, we can get about this close and... Ooh.
I'd say we can get as close as we want.
Yeah. We're not trying to muscle you out of your territory, guys. We're just, you know... We just... Hey, you don't have to... We're not gonna hurt you or anything. You know, you don't hurt us, we don't hurt you.
I won't hurt you. I just want to suck on your balls.
Well, we're not going to do that. We just, you know, we can appreciate a majestic bird.
Absolutely.
Look how cute those guys are.
Yeah. I can't believe how close we are to them.
What a couple of cuties. See how they have bald heads?
Yep.
That's that one's the ritual master.
Mm-hmm.
The other one is some other guy.
Just one left.
How close will it let us get?
About this close.
Is it doing a threat display?
I don't know.
Hey, my guy. You have such a pretty little head. Oh, he looked right at us. Look how many there are flying around in the sky. Man. Hey, look, that one has a red head. You see it?
Yeah, I do. That's crazy. Did you want to do a water drink here?
Do you love being in nature?
Yeah.
Yeah. Here, fill me with the bird.
Yes. Ooh, this is zoomed in all the way. Hang on.
Zoom out a little bit. You stand right there.
Hang on.
Hey,
Let me just zoom out. Zoom out. I think